Hello everyone, it's a beautiful day here with the Crave Cook. Guys, today we'll be making stuffed mushrooms. Alright, it's kind of like stuffed bell peppers, but we're using mushrooms. Alright, it's very delicious. So today I'll be using portobello mushrooms. I did remove the stem, and now what we will do next is scoop the inside out. Now mushrooms are very delicate, guys, so be gentle with it, and we're left with a beautiful bowl. Next, we will be dicing half of a medium onion, and I'm using the purple onion. Guys, you can also use the regular onion or the sweet onions. So I'm dicing 3 cloves of garlic. And we will also be dicing some bell peppers. You can choose a color of your choice. I'm using red and orange bell peppers. And some fresh parsley. And I also diced some mushrooms to go with the rest of the ingredients. I did about 4 small mushrooms. So these are the rest of the ingredients, guys, and they will also be listed in the description box below. To my pan, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 pound of ground lean meat, and I'm using beef. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Allow that to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then go in with the diced mushrooms. I'll be adding some parsley, my onion, garlic, bell peppers, some cilantro, and we'll mix that really well. Make sure everything is nice and combined. Smells amazing. So that is 1 tablespoon of chili onion crunch. I gave it a little kick. Some smoked paprika, and there I'll be adding my smoked beef sausage, and that is ground smoked beef sausage. It gave it an extra smoky, not too smoky, but it's really nice flavor. So to the mixture, I'll be adding some sharp cheddar cheese, my parmesan, some parsley, cilantro, 1 tablespoon of roasted vegetable cream cheese, and 1 tablespoon of chives and onion cream cheese, and we'll mix that well. Make sure everything is nice and combined. So I'm adding half of a cup of breadcrumbs. So what I'll be doing, guys, is I already had some mashed potatoes. So I'll mix a little more than half of the mixture. So I'll have half of the mixture with potatoes in the meat, and the other half of the mushrooms with just the meat. And you can choose however you want to do your filling. So we're about to stuff our mushrooms. I'm using about 1 tablespoon. Well, first I need to make sure everything is compact, and that's what it looks like. And here I'll be doing the potatoes with the meat mixture. Guys, I know lots of people do not like mushrooms, but this is another fabulous way you guys can actually eat mushrooms. You won't even know that you're eating mushrooms. It is so delicious. So please give this recipe a try and thank me later. And that is our mushroom stuff and ready for the oven. So what we'll do is add a little bit of cheese over the top, and we will bake this until the cheese is nice and golden, slightly brown, not burnt, 350 degrees. Look at our mushrooms, guys. This is an amazing dish. So guys, give this recipe a try. Let me know how yours turned out. Look at that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching and for your support. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.